Miss R and I Miss R. Well guys, have you ever had a taste for a treat or had a taste for some cake but you didn't want to go through the whole thing of baking a whole cake, and you didn't want to bake a whole cake because you knew that you was going to eat more than one slice? Well, I have decided to mix up some cake mix, and I have some of these cupcake holders. So I'm going to see if this single cupcake will bake in my toaster oven. So I'm going to turn it to 60. Probably don't need all that time. And I am going to place my little cupcake in there, and we're going to see if it will bake. If this works, this will help me just have a snack and put it under control. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I put it on 60 minutes. It's been 10 minutes that passed so far. So we're going to check it. Okay, guys, let's see what it looks like. It looks like it's done to me. I think I'm gonna leave it in there just a little bit longer, but I'm gonna take this knife and I'm gonna, do the poke test. Nothing came off. That's how my mama told me to check the cake. So I guess it's done. I'm gonna stop the toaster oven, and I'm gonna push that back in there for now until I get the icing out. Okay guys, so what I did was I put my chocolate, cake covering in the microwave just so it will lighten up a little bit. And I am going to just put a little bit over my cake. Just going to put a little bit over my cake. And that should be enough. So now, maybe I have more control over how I eat stuff. I'm just using regular cake mix, and I got me a cupcake holder and put a little bit in there, put the toaster oven on bake, and voila. So I'm about to go and enjoy this, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I will talk to you next time.